Hello everyone, and welcome to Code Breakers. Today we're going to do a little demonstration on Jmeter, which is an open source tool for load testing and performance testing. So we're going to start with assuming you've already downloaded it, and if you have, first thing you got to do is put it on your path, on your Windows path, so you can use the command line. Because you'll find that Jmeter has a lot of commands to use. So you'll want to first you open the view of Jmeter here, and there we see files bin. This contains all your essential pieces of the application. Not all of them, but these are the executables in here, in bin. So what we want to do is we want to be able to run this from the command line. So this would start up the tool, but in order to do this exercise, we bring up the command window. Right here, you can type jmeter.bat and it does nothing. So we want it to launch when we type that. So what we're going to do is go over here, hit properties, and we're going to set an environmental variable. What this does is it allows us to call the program from the command line, and it essentially tells Windows where to look for it when you type it in. So here we've got the existing system variables. These are all environmental variables here that I've added. Android, Java. You gotta have Java home. So we're gonna add Jmeter. Copy this. Copy your bin directory. Sorry folks. Okay, we're good. So paste it in here, just like that. So we're declaring a new system variable here for Windows. So now that we have that, we need to still do one more thing. So we've declared the variable. Now we're going to add it to the Windows path. Alright, and so this path, anything that's on here, is what Windows looks for when you type something into the command line. So if you want to call a program from the command line, you got to put it in here. As you see, I've already done that with Android Home. You see how the syntax is a percentage sign, then type in the name that you gave it, and close it with another percentage sign. Put a semicolon on the end of it. Simple enough. So now that I've done that, Windows is going to know, and I'm going to type in the same command I just did, and something's going to happen. As you can see, when I typed it in before I did this, typed in the jmeter.bat, and it says it was not recognized. Now it should be recognized. I'll just type in again, and it's not. What's the problem? So sometimes when you add a new variable and there's an existing window open, an existing command window, you gotta close it and start a new one, fresh. And there we go. We're about to launch. So here's the GUI. Here's the native platform for Jmeter. This allows you to create your tests and run through them. So now if we want to create a test, we can do that in another video. Keep this one short.